people, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's video we're doing all e.l.f. products. I'm super excited because I went to Target and I bought a whole bag full of makeup from e.l.f. Super affordable, so I'm excited to try it out. I don't have anything on my face. I just did my eyebrows off camera just for the purpose of the video, so we can begin with this e.l.f. tutorial. I'm going to moisturize my face. I'm going to be using e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisture. So moisture is really good for your face, so your face will be nice and smooth and you will not have all that cakey looking skin when you have that foundation. Now that my skin is super glowy and super hydrated, now I'm going to prime my face, and I'm going to be using my favorite primer, and this is e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. It's almost done. I have to get more later, but I'm just going to place that all over my face. And I love this because this makes your face like a smooth canvas when you place foundation on your face. And I'm making sure that I'm getting on my T-zone because that's where I crease and that's where I sweat a little bit, right there. And up here, I gotta focus it up here mainly. Alright guys, so face is already primed. My foundation on my face. And at the moment right now, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream Color Correcting Full Coverage Natural Finish. And it has the SPF 30. This is my old one. Went to the store and I had to get another one. So now I have two. So when this one finished, I have this one. And the reason why I bought a second one is because I'm loving this product right now. It's so soothing in your face. And it does not feel like you have a foundation, which it shouldn't feel like you have a foundation. It feels like you don't have nothing in your skin. This right here is supposed to be your skin, but better. You guys are going to see how it works on the face. I bought a sponge also from e.l.f. My sponge is nice and wet, so just like that. This CC cream matched perfectly on my skin. Do you see that? I haven't even blended yet, but you guys are going to see how smooth and how beautiful my face look. And I'm just using the sponge. The CC cream has a brush particular for that foundation, but if you guys want to get it, you can. It's supposed to work better, and that brush costs like $8, so it's not that bad. I'm using the sponge and you clearly can see my skin. Like, this is my skin but better. And if you guys are wondering what I am, I'm medium 375N. It's super buildable and it's full coverage without feeling cakey and feeling like you have so much product in your face. So now I got that. Now we're going to use concealer, and I'm going to be using my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer, and this is Tan Sand. And I'm gonna place that right here on my nose. I'm gonna conceal everywhere I want to highlight, and up here on my forehead where I want to highlight and brighten. So now I'm going to use the same sponge, and I'm going to use this pointy side, and I'm just going to blend that out. Alright guys, so I already blend my concealer in. I love the concealer. And now I'm going to set my face. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. HD powder, and I'm going to just use this little baby right here. And I'm just going to set all that concealer in. It's funny because my face was looking glowy. Now it's looking matte. So I'm guessing it's the HD powder that made my face look a little more matte. So now I have that set. I'm going to contour my face. 16 Camo Concealer. This is in Rich Chocolate. And I'm going to use this little angle brush, and I'm just going to blend that out. And I'm going to use whatever I have in the brush. I'm just going to do my nose a little bit real quick. Alright, once I got my face nice and warm and bronzy, I'm going to use the powder bronzer. And I have this right here. This is the e.l.f. Primer Infused Bronzer Forever Sun Kiss. So this one looks like this. I love the packaging, super sleek. All over. And put it on my forehead just to warm up the skin. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. HD powder and this little sponge right here. And watch me clean this up. So pretty, guys. Watch. Alright, I'm going to let that sit. Now I'm going to do my nose. We're going to let that sit. I'm going to prime my eyes, and I'm just going to use the same thing, the 16-hour Camo Concealer right here, and I'm just going to prime the lid just like that. And I'm going to just use my sponge and just press it down just so I can have a nice clear canvas. Now I'm going to use blush, and I'm going to use my e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush. Look how sleek is the package. I'm going to open it up so you guys can see. It's like a peachy orangey color. Super cute. This blush is super cute for the summer. So we're going to do our shadows now. And this is the Bite Size Eyeshadow Rose Water. And this one is the Bite Size Eyeshadow Berry Bad. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. tape. I think I'm going to do like a wing shadow look. I'm liking these two dark color. The brown in this palette. I'm going to place this color first just to warm up that lid. I'm going to use this small fluffy brush right here. I'm going to use that brown color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to do like a cat eye look. Just like that. Now I'm going to place this color right here. It's like a dark plum color. And I'm just going to place it where I placed that brown, just to make it super intense. And I'm just dabbing it right now. Give it like a two-tone color. Like an ombre effect. Super cute. Now we're just blending that brown color with that plum color. It's like a dark purple. Clean my brush, and then I'm just going to fade this out just a tad. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cut the crease. I'm not doing anything too dramatic with the crease. I'm just going to use my same concealer. I'm going to place it right here. And I'm just going to just try to brighten that. I'm just going to grab a cleaner brush like this, fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend that concealer with that dark color. Now I'm grabbing that brown color again, and I'm just going to place it right here on the center of the lid. Everything out so it can just look seamlessly. And you can't tell where the color ends or start. So this palette has a lot of fallout, so be careful with that. And I also have fallout all right here. I'm going to have to clean that up, but we'll worry about that little later. So I'm just looking at this, and I want to see which color I'm going to place. I'm probably going to place this color right here, and I'm going to use a flat brush like this, and I'm going to spray it, and then just place that on the lid. Now this color that I'm using right now is super creamy. You can even use your finger with this. I'm loving that. All right, that looks good. I don't want to bring this up too high because this is the look I'm going for. I just did my lashes and I just did a wing liner on my eyes. So now we're going to begin with this look. I'm going to grab this brown color right here and I'm going to place it underneath my waterline. I'm going to grab this angle. Actually, I'm going to grab this taper brush right here and I'm going to place that underneath my waterline and I'm just tapering it just like so. So I'm smudging it. I'm going to grab this pencil brush like this and I'm going to grab that dark purpley black color and just smudge it on the bottom. That is so cute. Now I'm going to place this color right here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to place that color right here and I'm going to place that in the inner corner. Pretty. I want to brighten that up a little more. Do the other eye. That is so cute. It's like an iridescent type of shadow. So pretty. Let me wipe down this little. I don't want to darken my eyes anymore, so I'm just going to use a nude pencil. I'm going to use this LA Girl nude pencil. It's not from e.l.f., but I need something for my waterline. Just to brighten it up. You see how that brightened? I love it. Now I'm going to use my e.l.f. Volume Plumping Black Mascara. And it looks like this. And I'm going to place that on my waterline. The packaging looks so cute. And this is a Volume Plumping Mascara. And I'm going to place that on my waterline lash. I'm going to be using this little kit right here, highlighter this side, and it's like a golden. How gorgeous that look. I'm going to use this little brush right here. I'm going to place that on my nose, on my side forehead, and my brow bone. And on my lip. And definitely right here. You see that glow. I know you guys see that glow. Super cute. But this has a lot of fallout. If you guys see the pen, it has a lot of the fallout, but it's alright. Put some here. Alright, so we have 2 more things and then we are done. I got this little lipstick right here, the Sheer Sleek lipstick, and this is in Jam O Jelly. So we're going to try this out on my lips. It looks like this. Look how cute is the packaging. I'm like obsessed with the packaging. Is stunning. So I'm going to open it up. Super bright. It's like a lip gloss lipstick. I'm going to be using the Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist up to 16 wear. I'm going to spray it first because I don't want that. This smells so good. It smells like cucumbers. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, me using all e.l.f. products, really affordable makeup. And if you guys did, then please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and also subscribe. And until my next video, adios.